Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's a Nedbank Cup Finals. Orlando Pirates 2, Sekhukhune 1. I'm joined by a fan. My brother, what's your name and where are you from?
I'm Elliot from Polokwane, man, my brother.
Okay, Elliot, Tunanilenga came here today.
Yeah, man. Unfortunately, the coach cost us the game by replacing Uvilakas. We have got to win the game, but unfortunately, the replacement of Sekhukhune United by replacing Uvilakas cost us the game. And the penalty as well, it cost us the game. But the boys played very well. We are happy about the performance. We are going to play for Confederation Cup. And the boys who are going to play. Orlando Pirates, congratulations to you guys. And the coach did very well. We are happy about the performance of Orlando Pirates as a Sekhukhune United. We are happy we were beaten by the best of team today. All that to Orlando Pirates. I'd like to Sekhukhune United. It was Limpopo versus Gauteng. Gauteng won.
Okay, who was the man of the match today?
No, I'll give it to Orlando Pirates number 2.
Yeah.
The one who's wearing number 2. Yeah, he's played well.
Okay.
Yeah, he played well.
Okay, give me your player of the season. The entire season, which player did you watch? What are you, man?
You know, my friends from Orlando Pirates used to say, Saleh, Lord, Sache, Lord, Saleh, Lord, Saleh. But that's whoa. I want the coach of the season. Coach of the season. Coach of the season, it will be Rolando Mukwena of Sundowns. Rolando Mukwena of Sundowns.
Which was it?
Rolando Mukwena of Sundowns. Rolando Mukwena of Sundowns.
Rolando Mukwena.
Yes. Fair square. He won the league. What is the matter? It's the league.
Thank you very much, brother.